Hey everyone, if you want to keep your browser fast and secure, updating Vivaldi is really important. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to update Vivaldi Browser step by step. First, open your Vivaldi Browser on your computer. Make sure you're connected to the internet before starting the update process. Next, click the Vivaldi menu in the top corner of the browser window. Then go to Help and select About Vivaldi. Now Vivaldi will automatically check for updates. If a new version is available, it will start downloading it right away without any extra steps. After that, wait for the download and installation process to complete. This usually only takes a few moments depending on your system. So once the update is finished, you may be asked to restart the browser. Click Restart to apply the latest version. Finally, reopen Vivaldi and go back to the About section to confirm that you're running the latest version. And that's it. Yeah, you've successfully updated Vivaldi Browser. Now you're using the latest features, improvements, and security updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.